Hi everyone and welcome back to Making Games with Unity. Today I'm going to show you some Unity tips that you can use. Sometimes your Intellisense is not working right. Usually I do something like this. I go to the game object somewhere here. I go to the assets and I click open C# project. And then when I do that, usually my Intellisense will work just fine. So you can try that. If you have some issue on making your Intellisense work, just go there. Go back to Unity, go to assets, click open C# project, then just open it. Maybe that could help. If your editor is already open, you can close it first and then go back again to Unity, click assets, open C# project. That might help. So yeah, if you think that is helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, that's all guys. Goodbye. See you on our next video.